Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, the topic name for today lecture is find the solution by using graphical method. In this method, we have given a set of equations which are of 2 by 2 system, and we find out their answer by using the graphical by drawing their graphs. Let me write equations uh, from the question. Question number 1, exercise 3.1, page 96. Exercise number 3.1, question number 11, page 95. Here the question statement is: two x minus 3y is equal to minus 13, and the second equation is 4x plus 2y is equal to minus 2. Now we have given two equations. Say this is 1 and this is 2. From these equations we draw their intercepts. We find out their intercepts. Let I write this equation in this form: minus 13, then 4x plus 2y is equal to minus 2. For x intercept, put y is equal to 0. So you get 2x is equal to minus 13 by minus 13, and x is equal to minus 13 by 2. This is equal to some way minus 6.5. Similarly, when you find y-intercept, put x is equal to 0. When you substitute x is equal to 0, it is equal to minus 3y is equal to minus 13. So y is equal to 13 by 3. Now we move towards the second equation. For x intercept, put y is equal to 0. In this way you get 4x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is equal to minus 0.5. For y-intercept, put x is equal to 0. When you substitute x is equal to 0, it is equal to 2y is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1. Now we try to draw their individual graphs. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, and this is y-axis. Here you see the value of x is minus 6.5. It means it moved towards left side. I draw here points minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6, and this is minus 6.5. Minus 6.5. Now minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and this is minus 6.5, this point. Now the value of y is equal to 13 by 3. This is equal to 4.3. 4.3. This is, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say this is 4.3. Now you join these 2 points, you get a line. This is equation number 1. Now in the similar fashion, you draw the second line. The value of x is minus 0.5. Let's say this is 1, this is minus 0.5, and the value of y is minus 1, that is downward, this is minus 1. When you connect these points, we draw a line in this form. This is line number 2. Now we draw both of the line in one graph in this way. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now we have here minus 6.5. Let's say this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So this point here is minus 6.5, minus 6.5, and the value of y is 4.3. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, and this is 5. And this point, let's say this is called 4.3. When you connect these points, the same way you get a line. First you draw their individual graph, and then you draw their combined graph. The value is minus 4.3. Now the second line is, as you see here, the value of x is minus 0.5. Let's say this is minus 0.5, minus 0.5, and the value of y is minus 1. This is minus 1. When you join these 2 points, you get a line in this way. If you proceed these 2 lines, so in this way they intersect each other at a point. They intersect each other at a point. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now you draw perpendiculars from this intersection. You see here the values along x-axis and along y-axis. Let's say this point of intersection on a guess basis, not we find in a general way. Here the value of this point along x-axis, let's say this is minus 2.5, and along y-axis it is equal to 2.1 or 2, let's say 2 point something, 2.2. This is the way which you adopt to find the solution by using graphical method. Another example which I have I try to give you for infinite many solutions. Let's say here is the plane. If you remember the the basic point, the properties of the in which we find the solution of infinite many solutions, in which both of the lines have same slope and they have same intercepts. In this way you get a one line in this way. How I can say there are infinite many points? Let's say this, at this point I say let this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, so on. And in the same way this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Corresponding to this point, it is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Corresponding to this point, the value of this point is 2, 0. When we draw a perpendicular at this, I get this point. So here we have answer 3, 3. In the same way you draw these points, you get infinite number of points on this line. There are infinite number of points which lie on this line. That's why when both of the lines have same slope and same intercept, there are infinite many solutions. You can see from here a lot of different points you can draw. Let's say this again, let's say this. There are infinite many points. There are infinite many points. So in this way you are able to solve different question by using graphical method. I think you understand this. If you have any problem, then you will ask me in the classroom. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.